Bullish Dusk organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 95 cents and $1.80 by 2030. Market examiners accept Dusk could reach 74 cents by 2025. Bearish Dusk organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 16 cents. Dusk organization presentation. The presentation of Bitcoin in 2009 recommended the introduction of a computerized money based on cryptographic innovation, guaranteeing the namelessness of exchanges. Gotten by the confirmation of stake agreement instrument. Bitcoin arose as the primary decentralized cryptographic money and motivated the improvement of other digital currencies. Notwithstanding, soon after the appearance and utilization of Bitcoin, clients and agents started to uncover defects that sold out their thought process would be the pinnacle of monetary development. Right off the bat, Bitcoin's white paper was censured for its agreement component and monetary model lacks. Ron and Shamir further hammered the shortcoming of its exchange diagram investigation and the absence of secrecy of the Bitcoin convention. Different agents uncovered the unreasonable energy expected to get the organization. To tackle the issues of the Bitcoin organization, analysts have explored different avenues regarding the one vote per share model to address security issues. Conversely, examinations concerning the issues of obscurity have brought about ventures like Zcash and Monero. As a feature of endeavors to tackle the difficulties of the Bitcoin convention, the Dusk network made a blockchain-based dispersed record convention. The evidence of stake agreement instrument drives the Dusk organization. It empowers permissionless support and information progress, execution, confirmation, and extending worldwide state while giving successful and alterable state advances. The convention guarantees security while executing with the local token, Dusk. What is Dusk organization? Dusk organization is a stage for protections. Dusk is an open source and secure blockchain foundation that permits organizations to tokenize monetary instruments and robotize complex cycles. Dusk utilizes a performant agreement known as the concise validation understanding, which empowers moment settlement and changelessness in 15 minutes or less. It is a blockchain for programmable and secret protections which runs on zero information verifications and confidential evidence of stake pioneer extraction-based agreement convention. It gives a nearby security-based chain for business monetary applications. Dusk organization is a Layer 1 blockchain that drives the classified security agreement standard and supports local individual shrewd agreements. The essential point of the organization is to address the specialized necessities and prerequisites of the monetary market. It centers around guaranteeing the unalterability of exchanges and severe security through a versatile public foundation. The Phoenix Exchange model powers Dusk's capacity to give security and secrecy. It anonymizes the two exchanges and shrewd agreements. It utilizes half-breed security supporting model called the Zedger in view of the Phoenix. The Zedger is primarily made for security tokens. Dusk organization's security is controlled by the isolated Byzantine understanding agreement system. The SBA joins thoughts like secrecy time-locked exchanges and cryptographic sortation with a standing module. This guarantees that the most dependable hubs are chosen and advances decentralization. The local badge of the Dusk network is the Dusk token, which is utilized to start exchanges, perform nuclear trades, and execute savvy contracts. It additionally permits holders to partake in the agreement and gives the essential method for trade on the Dusk organization. Dusk organization current cost. Dusk organization is as of now worth 21 cents USD. Dusk has moved 7.25% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,789,927. Dusk organization is as of now positioned 348 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $61,254,590 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dusk organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Dusk organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dusk organization value forecast 2023. Dusk organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Dusk cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 31 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 29 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Dusk is supposed to have a base worth of 25 cents. Dusk organization value forecast 2024. In 2024, Dusk organization Dusk cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Dusk will before long outperform 52 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Dusk's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Dusk will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 42 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 46 cents. Dusk Organization Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 74 cents and Dusk might benefit. Dusk Organization Value Expectation 2026. As per our projections, Dusk will be green in 2026. The Dusk is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 95 cents, with a base cost of 84 cents and a typical cost of 89 cents. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Dusk cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.10 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.06 anticipated before the year's end. Dusk Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.31. On the off chance that Dusk figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.38. Neglecting to accumulate the help Dusk needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.27. Dusk Organization Value Forecast 2029. While Dusk is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.48 and a yearly cost close above $1.59 in 2029. Dusk Organization Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Dusk Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.70 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.80, averaging out at $1.74. Dusk Organization Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Dusk cost in 2031 is projected to be $2.08 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.99. And the blockchain business will stay partitioned on whether complete namelessness and security are ideal, particularly directly following digital currency illegal tax avoidance challenges and darknet utilization. Dusk Organization joins speed and protection while not compromising decentralization and security. Along these lines, establishing an open climate for protections tokenization, taking everything into account. There is no restriction to the development of the organization as